Are you struggling to lose weight and get in shape? Or maybe you're even gaining weight? I'm gonna tell you the real secret to getting in shape and staying in shape. The one most trainers don't want you to know. Psst, there is no secret. And stick around to the end where I'll give you some practical questions that you can ask yourself. Coming up. Hey guys, I'm Curtis Riley, aka Preach from The Real Rileys. Our goal is to give you real advice for real life. And trust me, I've made plenty of mistakes for you to learn from. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on online business, on marriage, on faith, and ministry, so check them out. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real how-tos, real DIYs, and real reviews. But we also offer online courses, coaching, and more. And will you make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel? That way YouTube knows that you like it. And as a free gift for stopping by, we wanted to hook you up with the 5 Days to Fitness, a mini course in PDF that'll help you get started in your fitness journey. Just go to therealrileys.com. Now let's get into it. So listen, the secret is that there is no secret. And we hate that. Boo, boo. Because we want the easy fix. We want the quick fix. We want some kind of magical pill that we can take, or some kind of magical drink that we can drink, or an exercise that's gonna be super easy and really fast and we're done and we're out. But I'm not gonna lie to you just so I can sell you a magical pill, drink, or workout. The truth is that it's simple math and we all know it. You have to burn more calories than you take in. Think of it this way, 1 + 1 = 2. So if you eat bad and you don't work out, you're gonna get fat. 1 - 1 = 0. So if you eat really bad but you exercise, you might be able to break even. And 0 - 1 = -1, which is where you want to be. So if you eat right and you exercise, you can start to lose weight. Now the tricky part is figuring out a realistic way to burn calories, which I can help you with. And figuring out a way to take in less calories, which I can help you with. And then trying to figure out how to balance them all in a way that works with real life. So if you're struggling to lose weight, or maybe you're even gaining weight, it's one of two things. You are not eating right, or you're not exercising enough. And I'll share tons of tips for you how to do both on this channel. Hey, can I stop you right there? And if you're enjoying this and getting value from it, will you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? That helps support us so we can make more content like this. But before you even get to the how-to workout stuff, step number 1 is mental. You've got to start thinking about today and start thinking about tomorrow. What am I eating? What am I doing to exercise? It's about starting to pay attention and starting to be aware. Now, if you just want to stay in shape and not get fat, you'll love Fight the Fat. I'm talking 20 minutes, 3 times a week. And it's only the most enjoyable and effective workouts. If you want to take it to the next level, you can check out Prison Pump, where you can lose 30 pounds in 30 minutes a day. Now here comes the fun part. It's time to get real. Comment below right now in the comments and let us know, what are you doing to exercise and what type of things have you been eating? And if you have more questions, check out one of our online communities where you can ask questions, be encouraged, and you can be a part of our live Q&As. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos, like some of the best tools for DIY, or check out some of our other channels like How to Study the Bible. Hey, I hope this video has started to change the way that you think, and I hope it was helpful for you. But until next time, keep it real.